Bluetti delivers convenience to you with easy power access. Welcome to Bluetti support. This is the Bluetti EB55 solar portable power station. It features a 700-watt pure sine wave AC inverter and supports 200-watt AC wall outlet and 200-watt PV fast recharging. So, you can use it to charge your mobile phone, MacBook Pro, and even your car refrigerator, coffee maker, and other similar devices. Open the box. You can see the standard accessories of the EB55. We also provide other optional accessories. This is the standard charging adapter. When you use it to recharge your EB55, its indicator light will turn red. You can also use these cables together to recharge your EB55 with dual adapters. Then is the car charging cable. Just connect it to the cigarette lighter port of your car, and then you can recharge your EB55 with your car. Last is the solar charging cable. With it, you can recharge your EB55 with solar panels. It should also be mentioned here, the EB55 supports AC plus PV dual charging. Back to the EB55 itself. This is the LED lamp. You can change its status from full light to half light and then to SOS. And these are the AC output ports. Press the independent AC power button and then all AC output ports will be activated. Then these are the DC outputs. 4 USB-A ports, 1 USB-C port, 2 DC5521 ports, and 1 cigarette lighter port. To turn them on, you also need to press the independent DC power button. On the top is the wireless charging pad. Turn the DC on, place your phone horizontally on the pad, and your phone will start charging. When the AC and DC are off, long press both AC and DC power buttons simultaneously to the settings mode. You can turn on or off the Eco mode by pressing the DC power button and switch the AC output frequency by pressing the AC power button. Last, long press them at the same time again and your EB55 will exit settings mode.